What's up, my 8 minute peeps? We're excited to do this vlog for you. This is December's vlog. And to begin, I guess I'm going to go ahead and let Kayla take the lead and kind of let you guys know what we're going to be doing and talking about in this vlog.
So we wanted to give you a rundown of what's we're going to be discussing in this vlog so you know ahead of time. We're going to talk about all of our content that's coming up this month. So we have a podcast and a Q&A video coming up, and we'll let you know when that's coming. We have a giveaway going on right now for this month. So we're going to give you more details about that. Our big video, it's our episode 57. We're going to give you exclusive insight of what that topic is, what we're doing, where we're at with that. This vlog, we're going to start where we're going to have him talk about a study that the most recent study he's read. Might not be a new study, but it's whatever the last one he's on. What's it called?
I probably have to pull it up, but the study is called Hydrogen-Rich Saline Promotes Motor Functional Recovery Following Peripheral Nerve Autographing in Rats.
So if you stick around, he's going to explain what the study found, what hydrogen did in that. So that's a new thing this month. But before we get into that, we're going to go ahead and do one of our get to know you questions so you can get to know us a little better.
Let's see. What do we got? What would you do if you were the opposite sex for a month? What? Okay.
Before we answer, we would love for you to answer this question too in the comments because we want to know what you think as well. So, you ready?
Yeah, I think I'm ready. I think, well, at least an initial thought.